Hello friend, my name is Biren, and guys, in this video I'll be talking about a project called Asynchronous Spring Boot project. So here our requirement is we have two external API. Okay, we have to call it asynchronously, and we have to then take the both the responses and combine it and get it as a single response. Okay, so this is the idea. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already created this project and imported into my IntelliJ IDE. So if you want to create from the scratch, so it is very simple. Just open star.spring.io, and this is the dashboard you will be getting. So since it is a web application, so we have to use some dependencies, right? So click here, and first we will be using spring web dependencies since it is a web application, and since again it is asynchronous programming, so we have to use reactive web. Okay, so once you add both these dependency, we can select our build tool, whether it is Maven, Gradle or Kotlin, and the language we are selecting Java, and here I have selected Maven. And Spring Boot, you can select any of the latest version or the old version. And group ID, you can give it anything. I have given as per my convenience. Okay, artifact ID you can give as asynchronous Spring Boot application. And this is the packaging name and packaging, what kind of packaging you want. I have selected jar and the Java version. Once you selected all these things, just click on generate. It will get generated and download into your download folder. So once this is downloaded in your download folder, open any IDE, whether it is Eclipse or IntelliJ. Okay, and once you import it, so the project structure will be similar to what you are seeing now. Okay, so if you see my pom.xml, we have same thing, right? So we have added this Spring Web dependency, starter web, and this dependency I have used Lombok basically to reduce the boilerplate code. So if required, then you can also use. So there will be no need to write setter getter or constructors and all those things. You can directly annotate on the any Pojo class, or you can say any Spring Bean class. And then the dependency I was talking about is webflux. Same thing I have added here as well. Okay, and the test, it will come automatically. So fine, so let's get started. So this is the project folder structure, main, Java, and this is the group ID. So guys, here you can see there are three folders I have created: config, controller, and service. So you can also create the in the similar way. And this is the main application. Okay, and this is the we have annotated, and it will come automatically with the same annotation at Spring Boot application. Okay, so let's focus on the main agenda, right? So as I told, I will show you, we have two API. These are the external API. It can be anything, right? So if you click here in the web browser, so you can see there are data. So these are the okay, this double quotes are there. So these are the JSON data. It is available in the web. So the similarly we can check for this as well. Control C, we'll open a new tab, and here we go. So here also we have two JSON data, right? So main goal is what, we have to call both this API synchronously, and we have to combine this result set, this JSON result, and this result both as a single response. Okay, so how we'll do? So this is our agenda, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going back to the project, and so if you guys don't know asynchronous, so we'll just highlight few points about what is asynchronous programming. So basically it is a programming technique where a function or operation is initiated without waiting for its completion before moving to the next task. That means it allows the program to perform multiple tasks concurrently without blocking execution flow.